Hi and welcome to another quick video. This time we'll be looking at the new released October 2020 update for the Galaxy Fold. As you can see, this was the last successful update. This was on September and it was around 210 megabytes. As you can see, the main two upgrades that they had here for the updates were the AR emojis and a new camera feature that was around Pro Video and around various menus and modes that we had there. So it wasn't too much of an update and it was quite a small one. So now if we go to the new released October update, we can see, and this update is quite significant. There's quite a lot of updates. So the first update, as we can see, is under Samsung DeX. This is their desktop kind of operating system when you plug it into a larger monitor. As you can see here, they've done the wireless connection and screen zoom and font size options are supported to allow customization in various display sizes. Next, they're moving on to Wi-Fi. So if the quality information on nearby Wi-Fi routers can be measured, this information will appear as very fast, normal, or slow. So that would be quite good. So you can see the quality of your Wi-Fi connection. And this feature can be turned on and off in network quality information displays. Also, when attempting to access a Wi-Fi router with a password, a newly added feature now allows users to request the password of the Wi-Fi router from someone nearby who is saved in the contact list and already connected to the router. So that might come in handy. And also the request password button will appear on the Wi-Fi password input screen where you can request a password. Next is for the always on display. So that here now they've upgraded it for the Bitmoji stickers that are supported on the always on display. So I personally don't have the always on display on because for battery, but I think it can be a good feature. Another one is around the Samsung keyboard. A new feature has been added to the keyboard search feature. This allows you to search YouTube. Oh, that's quite handy. And the search function of the manage input languages they've updated as well. So the next one is around the camera. So the Pro Video feature has been enhanced, so that's always good to see that they continue to improve on the camera app. Messages, so a feature has been added that allows the user to call a person who is saved as a pre-configured SOS message contact. So that is where you can set it up in settings for emergency contacts. A feature has also been added that allows users to send SOS location sharing messages every 30 minutes for 24 hours. So again, if you've got children, things like that, or even for yourself. And then we have a few other features they've listed. So a software update can include, but it's not limited to, again, is bug fixes and other enhancements and improvements to performance. That's always good to see. I'll put in the description to learn more about the full details of this update on the Samsung mobile website. So as you can see here, the security patch is for the 1st of October and the size is quite considerable compared to the 280 megabytes last time for the update. Now it is over 1.1 gigs to download. So as you can see here, so now we can just go back up, and as usual you just click the download button and it will start to download the new update. Sometimes what will happen is that they'll request you to restart your device, and then it may take a few minutes for it then to start updating any apps if needed. But generally it doesn't take too long for the update to complete, and also you can normally continue working on your phone. So as you can see now, the update is being downloaded and your phone will need to restart. So then of course you can either schedule the install for later at night time, or you can install now. So you can click install now and it will restart the phone now. So now we're going to be looking at Samsung DeX. As you can see here, you can go to it by the quick actions from the toolbar on the top, and here you can see where it will take you straight to the connect to wirelessly if you've got any compatible devices. I believe currently the Google Chromecast and everything doesn't support Miracast, but if you have a Roku device, then you can connect wirelessly to that, and you can have Samsung DeX displayed on your TV or monitor that you have available. I think it has also been tested with the Amazon Fire Stick, and they are not compatible either. So some Android boxes do support Miracast. Of course, you can still use your HDMI cable and your USB-C cable to plug it into your computer, as the options are displayed on the top. So following on from the update is now complete. We've just gone through the update process, and we saw there were some options, new features with the camera. So I thought I'd just quickly show you. As you can see, I'm in video mode, and as you can see here, on video mode you now have an icon in the top left hand corner, and what that actually does is switches on your screen at the back of the so your front screen as well, so you can see both sides. So that's a good feature if you're videoing, but I think the most important one is if you go to more, and I think it was improve video. As you can see now, it has a left and right channel, and then also the features here you can see that it has for the video camera, but also you can turn on and off the cover screen, as you can see here, and it has with the HR10. So if we go back to video and we go within settings, you can see on Pro Video now, third option down, it says this selected resolution supports HDR10 video or 10 plus, but if we put it up to the full 4K 60 frames per second, it says it doesn't actually support tracking autofocus and video stabilization. So there's, depending on what option you actually select, you can either get HDR 10 plus and the other features. So it might be worth just trying around and seeing what best suits you, if you need HDR or if you need video stabilization, which of these features are most important to you. This is a quick look at the camera updates. You can see that it probably has improved the performance as well, and some of the other options. Let me know what you think of the update. So now you can see that after the update, Android system is finishing the update, and it's just finished. So now we can go back to settings, software update, and then the latest, and you can see there we've got the latest update that's been installed. I didn't have any problems with the install. It did take longer than usual, and I think it's probably because the update is quite significant. So if you have any questions or any issues, leave them in the comments and we can discuss them later. Okay, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.